still the same.
Le os can 1 milliún album díalta aige, album tafada aige in Nashville, agus é ceáil staite as cór breis is 8 míle duine. Níl 1 doubt faoi a gur bé Big Tom as bailin na Lorgan chun dé winnehan fear rí ceáil tíre na Heron.
I always loved the sadness of country music because it's like the old Irish ballads and that. There was always a wee bit of a sadness in them. And it was the same with country music.
Please tell me you love me.
Is é óg bhór an chunkar a bhí ag réaltaí ceáil tíre Hank Williams agus Jimmy Rogers ar Tom. Rud a spráige teach le chéile na grúpa cairde actual an showband sacu chéan dar a bhainneam the Mainliners a bhhainú.
We were all green lads, like started from nowhere, and it was a band that had a sound of their own.
Háirithe rinneú réaltaí ceáil tíre de Big Tom agus the Mainliners in éadíh a páirte glacu ar clár ceáil RTE. Ba é an tóran na ceáil Tom na Gentle Mother. Óran a chuí isteach ag ever seacht sna cartena.
Probably Gentle Mother was the first song I ever learned. Like. To this day, like, I still think it's a beautiful song.
Lillian na seascadí bhí clú agus cail ar Big Tom haar lár assassin agus é ar chamchuirt an go réalta.
The Galtymore was the kingpin of all the dance halls in England. A lot of the Irish people married out of the Galtymore. We played it for years and years, and we played the last dance that was played on it. You see people they were dancing around the floor there, and you could see tears in their eyes and that, you know.
In níide ag seachtú a cuaig dag Big Tom na Mainliners agus thosaigh sé banna eile dar a bhainneam na Travellers. Showband eile ar éirí go maichleás na cartena le 4 country roads i measc na Gearnaní is umráte a chuirsead amach. Le breis is cé go bliain ar an bhuachar tá an ilomad gradan bronta ar Big Tom agus in 2016 ba é an chéad duine a tugadh isteach go Ireland's Country Music Hall of Fame. Ach, an dhéanana sé ariste.
I would like to be 50 years younger anyway. I wouldn't mind doing it all again. I loved it all my life.